We are doing roundabouts, but we're going to be focusing mainly on the major roundabouts today's lesson.
Yep.
And mainly we're going to be focusing on left turning and going ahead. Forget about the right turning for the time being. We're going to put our energy and effort only on the left turning and going straight ahead. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Now, on the roundabout, this is a major roundabout.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, do you have any idea? So if you're driving a car, how can you tell in early that you're approaching a major roundabout? What type of sign
You've
are
got
looking?
this sign here.
Okay. So what is this?
Yeah.
What is this sign telling you?
There's a roundabout coming ahead.
Yes. But what is that sign shape means?
A triangle.
What is a triangle sign means?
It's... I forgot it now. Oh, Mel, come on. That means it's a big roundabout, not a mini roundabout, because the mini roundabout is a blue one, isn't it?
You're wrong. You can get this on a mini roundabout as well.
Can you?
Yes.
Oh.
People get confused. This sign means a warning sign.
Yeah.
That is warning you there is a roundabout coming up.
Come ahead.
It's not telling you what kind of roundabout. Is it mini or major? So that is wrong. So remember this. Is warning you there's a roundabout coming up.
Yeah.
The roundabout sign is an order sign. What is the order sign look like? What shape is the order sign?
Order is circle.
Yes. Now, do we have any circle sign in?
Yeah, in the middle.
Yeah. And what color is the background there?
Blue.
So that is also telling you is a major roundabout. Now this sign you also see on one-way road. So if you're in a T-junction and if it's a one-way road, that means you can only go left. Now if you're driving and if you see this sign in middle of the roundabout,
it's a major.
Is a major roundabout.
You're right, yeah.
We're going to talk about the mini one later on, but not today because the mini on about different sign. But main thing is, do you understand the difference between this sign and this sign?
Yeah.
What is this sign telling you?
That there's a warning, there's a roundabout.
But it's not warning you what type of roundabout is it.
No, so
and
the middle tells you if it's a major.
This is a major one, yeah. What is this sign telling you with the black and white strip?
Sharp.
Sharp what?
Left.
Yeah, sharp left turn. So that's sometimes you don't have it, sometimes you do. Is that clear so far?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, usually on a major roundabout when you're approaching, you do have got some signboards like this as well. So you always be coming from here, and obviously it clearly shows you where you're going, left, right, and whatever it is.
Yeah.
There, yeah. Now, if we are turning left, we'll forget about going straight. If we're going left, which exit would this be?
That bit first exit.
And if we are crossing the roundabout ahead,
that's your second exit.
Now, if I close this for 1 minute,
that's your first exit.
Okay, so that means the instruction would be that you cross the roundabout ahead, first exit.
Yeah.
People get confused. People think that if you're always going straight is always a second exit. That's not true.
No, that could be
second.
Yeah, because
that could be third as well.
Yeah.
So it's very important that we look for the
signs.
Okay.
And that's why you go more slow. I've noticed if you go more slow, you know, like the McDonald's Darwin, you've got road signs. So if you go slower, you know which lane to take.
Yeah. So it helps you.
Yeah.
Now let's say we're turning left.
Mm-hmm.
When we're turning left, what routine we're going to use when you're about 3 to 4 cars length away?
So we look at mirrors.
Okay, which 2 mirrors we're going to check if you're going left?
The left, no, central and left.
Okay, and then what will you do after that?
Then we look.
No,
we slow down.
No, so what is the routine? Signal.
Yeah.
Why are we looking and why are we signaling?
Signaling is to show that we're going to the left from people behind.
Good. And looking the left mirror, how would that help?
So we're not looking at what's it called? For bicycles.
Yeah. Cyclists, they don't undertake you. So you done your mirror as a signal. What do you do then?
Then you look to your right.
No, you're positioning. Slightly.
Position,
and then after that,
you stop.
No, we slow down. This is important. So if you're driving 30 miles per hour, you do your mirrors, signal, position, you start slowing. When you're about 3 to 4 cars length away, you start slowing down. So you're driving an automatic car, slow down to what speed? What do you think is ideal?
Walking speed. Not walking. I say, yeah, walking.
Okay, so 15 miles or less, I would say.
So most likely jogging.
I would say slightly jogging though, yeah? And how would that benefit you when you're doing that?
Because you can see.
There you go. So that means you'd mirror signal position, you're slowing down, and L, looking.
Yeah.
But if you're not going to be slowing down, Mel, and if you're approaching too fast, do you think you're able to look easily or you
because
don't?
You've got so many cars about coming, and if you misjudge that right, you could be.
Yeah.
You know.
So as we're approaching,
slow.
Who do we have to look out for? Traffic coming from where? On our
right.
Which is this one.
Yep.
So we'll need to look over there.
And then.
And for where else can they come? Look on the picture. Where else they can come for the green car? Who else? Where the cars can come?
The right hand lane.
No. From there. What if somebody wants to?
Oh yeah.
Can they come from there?
Yeah, they can.
Yeah. What about from there? If they are coming from this side, can they not come this way?
Yeah, they could.
This is where people go wrong, Mel. They only assume that you only have to look over there.
No, you have to look at all exits.
So to make it easy for you, anyone coming into this area or past this area up to here, you think they're going to come into your danger zone. This is your danger zone, this area.
Yeah.
Anybody coming to danger zone could be coming from here, could be coming from here, or
the opposite side.
From there. And this is what people go wrong. So many people, they look over there, they don't look over there, they emerge and the car's coming from there. So you look, anybody who's on your right shoulder.
Yeah.
And then if nobody's coming, then what do we do? Where else do we need to look? Where we are?
Well, go in so left.
And then we can turn over there.
Left.
Is that clear to you?
Yep.
That's for the left turning.
Yeah.
Any problem on this so far?
No.
When you're turning into new road, what type of hazard you may expect here?
Someone going in behind.
Crossing?
Yeah, crossing.
Somebody, pedestrians.
Crossing. Do you need to stop when they're crossing though?
If they already stepped out here,
yeah,
I would stop, yes. But obviously, you got to be very careful, look out for their body behavior.
Yes.
Yeah, because if you're going to slam the brake and they're not even intention to cross, what they happen to the car behind, they might hit you.
Yeah, or stop suddenly.
Yeah.
And make a big
So you got to think about the risk assessment though. Now, any problem with the left turning?
No.
No. Let's talk about going straight ahead, okay? Now, this roundabout, again, we're going straight ahead. So we're using a green car.
Yeah.
So we are approaching again. So this time we do our mirrors.
Mm-hmm.
But we don't need to signal because obviously if we signal then people misleading. We're not going left or right.
No.
So we mirrors.
You signal to a point when you're just turning in.
Yes, you're correct. But think about it. As you're going to start slowing down, when you press the brake, what happened? Anything happen? How do people know that you're pressing a brake?
Your back lights.
And that is also a signal. So people know that you start slowing down. So you check your mirrors, you position, you start slowing down. That is a signal as well.
Yeah.
And then you do start looking. Now, if nobody's coming, and this is very important to understand, there is no lane marking. Should we go like this or should we go like a moon crescent?
Yeah, we follow the left-hand side of the path.
Obviously, we're not signaling, but once we about past the first exit, about here, what do we do then?
Once you've passed it, then you start look at your mirrors.
Which mirrors?
Your left and central.
Center and the left, yes.
And then signal.
And signal. And what people tend to do, they start speeding. Just keep going slowly. Yeah. Once you've gone past this bend, this is the most important one.
Yeah, once you've got your wheel straight.
Then what would you do?
Mirrors.
And then gradually and progressively with bit of speed. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I do.
Any problem, any questions?
No.
Now, while we're on this topic, we need to talk about something else, man. This roundabout, we use clock method.
Yeah. So you got your 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
So that's all your left.
Yeah.
But if we're going past 12 o'clock, it's your right hand lane.
Yeah, so if we're approaching, well done for that. If there's no lane markings like here, and if you know that you have to go after 12 o'clock, we should be on the right lane. We're not going to be doing the right turning today.
Yeah.
But if you're going on...
But you have to signal from here all the way right, then get to here.
And then signal again.
And signal left.
We're not going to be doing that. But the whole point is, why I'm telling you this, because this one have got no lane markings. Yeah. But any roundabout who have got a lane marking, then you have to stay in the which lane to follow, because some roundabouts, they have got a lane marking here to go straight or left, and some roundabouts have got a straight lane marking here to go straight or right, but left is left only. For example, I'll show you. Now looking at this picture, you can see that arrow painted there telling you that the left lane is going straight or left, and the right is only for the right. So we have got the lane markings telling you which lane to use. Sometimes there is other way around. I'll show you now. Now looking at this picture, can you see the understand? When you're coming, the left lane is only for left turning, and this one is only going straight like ahead. The Ewood roundabout. So when I was coming from there, I was there, and when I comes out, I follow this curve and I went over there. Do you understand it now? So that's why we need to have a good local area knowledge, so we know which lane to use, how to use it. Any confusion, any questions?
Nope.
All right.